This is currently the largest known star. It's about the size of 10 billion suns and could hold 1.3 billion Earths inside it. It's 23 times larger than UY Scuti. This star is called Stephenson 2-18, located in the constellation Scutum. Its diameter is about 2.98 billion kilometers, 2,158 times the diameter of the Sun. If Stephenson 2-18 were placed at the center of our solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn would all orbit inside it. Yet even those planets would barely fill it. That's because its volume is enough to hold 10 billion suns. Despite its massive size, its mass is only about 18 times that of the Sun. So why is there such a big difference? The reason is that it's in the late stage of its life as a main sequence star, specifically a red supergiant. When a star reaches this stage, helium inside begins to fuse, and the internal pressure causes the outer gas layers to expand dramatically. That's why the star becomes so large. But its outer layers are made of extremely thin gas, much thinner than Earth's atmosphere. This also means the star is nearing the end of its life and has begun the countdown to its demise. Stephenson 2-18 is 440,000 times brighter than the Sun, but it's located very far from Earth, about 20,000 light-years away. On top of that, it's obscured by interstellar dust, making it nearly impossible to spot with the naked eye. Astronomers discovered it using deep infrared detectors. Compared to Earth, Stephenson 2-18's volume is about 130 quintillion times larger. That's the number 13 followed by 15 zeros. It's almost impossible to imagine. Earth, in comparison, is like a grain of sand. However, scientists don't believe Stephenson 2-18 is the biggest star in the universe, because the universe is simply too vast. The Milky Way alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. If we could see beyond it into the broader universe, we'd find galaxies everywhere, each containing a staggering number of stars. But those stars are so far away from Earth that they're hard to observe. Among them, there may be stars even larger and more brilliant than Stephenson 2-18. In other words, while Stephenson 2-18 is the largest star known to humans, it's still insignificant in the grand scale of the universe. The radius of our solar system is about 9.4607 trillion kilometers, while Stephenson 2-18 has a radius of only 1.5 billion kilometers. Humanity has never stopped exploring the universe.